Hi, in this video, I'm talking about my third jewelry piece that I own from Van Cleef and Arpels. If you want to check out my other two jewelry pieces from VCA, the links are in the description. Let's begin this one. The jewelry item is from the 4-leaf clover-inspired Alhambra collection. By this time, you can tell I'm absolutely in awe of the Alhambra collection. This is the VCA packaging, white box, the ribbon. Yeah, let's open this one. This is the jewelry box. Can you guess what's inside this one? If you have any guesses, please pause and comment to let me know. Let's open this tiny green box. These are vintage Alhambra earrings made of 18 karat solid yellow gold and white mother of pearl. For those of you who don't know about the mother of pearl, it is a natural material that is made from the iridescent nacre that lines the inside of shells. It is a delicate material and should be avoided contact to water and chemicals. The VCA website suggests to store it in a box lined with cotton fabric. The earring features the iconic Alhambra motif adorned with golden beads. Yeah, let me take this out and show you. The earrings have a clip back with detachable stem in 18 karat yellow gold. You have the option to remove or reposition the stem in store. Let's wear these. These are such an exquisite pair of earrings that can elevate your look. Now that I have worn these so many times already, I can say they feel extremely comfortable and secured. They are of remarkable quality, and I'm always excited to wear these. It is truly a treasured addition in my jewelry collection. The mother of pearl give a very delicate and unique shine that varies depending on the angle and the light. This, in the combination with the iconic Alhambra motif adorned with the golden beads, bring another level of elegance and softness to your look. The Alhambra pieces with mother of pearl stand out for their excellent craftsmanship and simplicity, which makes them so much more attractive. The vintage size of the Alhambra is perfect for my ears. They feel lightweight and comfortable on ears. VCA offers a lot of variation in these earrings. The vintage Alhambra earrings is upwards of $4,000 mark. As usual, along with the itemized bill, you also get a care advice service booklet and the certificate of authenticity. Yeah. Don't forget to check about the travel pouches. VCA do not provide the travel pouches if you do not ask for because of I think inventory issues due to COVID. So yeah, don't forget about these especially if you travel a lot and if you don't like to carry the entire jewelry box with you. So yeah, these come in very handy. I briefly touched upon my happy shopping experience from VCA in my previous video. Feel free to check it out. Alright, this is what I had for this video. Hopefully this video helped you in some way. See you next time. Bye.